Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video in my Theme Park Tycoon 2 park, where I only use blueprints. In today's video, I'm going to show you the train ride around my park, and as promised, I'll also place the Ferris wheel. I'll start by showing the train station. This is the train station. I think it looks really good. It used to have a Christmas theme, but I removed that to match the rest of the park better. Now I'm going to take the train ride and talk a bit about my channel. To be honest, I've been thinking about stopping uploads for a while. In a few months, I might take a break for some time, maybe even a few months. I don't enjoy making Gravitrax videos as much anymore, and that's what my channel is mostly about. I still like making Theme Park Tycoon 2 videos, but I'm not sure how long that will last. I also only have around 50 subscribers right now, which can be a bit demotivating. I know my videos aren't perfect, and that's something I want to improve. There also just aren't that many people interested in Gravitrax, which makes it harder to grow. But for now, I'll try to keep making fun videos. In the previous But for now, I'll try to keep making fun videos. In the previous video, I couldn't place the Ferris wheel, but now I can because I unlocked the achievement. I think this Ferris wheel blueprint is one of the best, so after the train ride, I'm going to place it in the park. This is the... As I said, it looks really great and fits nicely in the park. That's everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.